Namaskar everyone. I welcome you to Vinmoves. In today's video, we are going to practice 5 standing asanas which will help you to strengthen your lower body, which will help to increase the strength of your lower body, means your leg muscles. Your leg muscles are the longest muscles, so we need to do a lots of exercise to strengthen the leg muscles while you are practicing in the gym, while you are practicing in the morning some other workout, like you are doing running, you are doing squats to strengthen your thigh muscles. But here we will be giving you 5 simple asanas. Some asanas will be with the balance also, which will help you to increase the strength of your muscles, and it will also help you to increase the strength of your joint, like your knee joint and your ankle joint. If you will be continue practicing this asana, then after practical effect on your lower body, your leg muscles are going to be toned and the flexibility of your lower body is also going to be increased by practicing those asanas. So without getting delay, let's start. So let's start with the first asana. We are going to practice tree pose, Vrikshasana. So you have to stand on your mat with keeping your feet together and hands by the side. Now gently bend your right leg and place your right feet beside your left thigh and keeping your concentration on one point, and remember to press all the toes on the mat to get the good grip and get the balance. You can place your both the palms in Namaste near to your heart, or if possible, if your balance is good, you can slowly bring your hands above your head, keeping your palms touching to each other, and keep your concentration on one point. You can hold this asana starting with 20 to 30 seconds, and maximum timing you can hold this asana to 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. While coming back, reverse order. Slowly hands down, release your hands, then release your right leg. After finishing this asana from one side, likewise you have to practice from another side. Second asana, we are going to practice Utkatasana, chair pose. So for practicing the chair pose, with feet together, hands by the side of your body, then with inhalation, slowly bend your knees and remember to moving your hips back and raise your both the hands up above your head. Remember, in this asana, your knee should not cross your toe line. Okay, so your knee are not bending too much like this. Keep your knee maximum in the line of your toe. Hands up, hips moving back. Feel the pressure on your thighs and calf muscles. If you want more pressure on your thighs, you can bring your toes up from the mat. So if you bring your toes up from the mat, it will give more pressure on your thighs and calf muscle. This asana you can also hold starting with 20 to 30 seconds. Maximum you can reach to 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Then in reverse order, straight your knees, hands down. Next, third asana, we are going to practice eagle pose, Garudasana. It will give you strength also for your legs and it will give flexibility to your muscles also. Then keeping your feet slightly apart, hands on your waist, gently bend your knees. After that, right leg up, then cross your right leg on your left here. So your left hamstring muscle will be coming on your right quadricep muscle. You can lock your feet here. If not possible to lock, you can hold this point. If possible, you can lock completely. Same with your hands. You can try with Namaste, or same as you are doing with the legs, your hands position will be opposite. Here you are crossing your right upon the left. With your hands you will be crossing your left to your right, concentrating on one point. You can start to hold it 20 to 30 seconds maximum. You can reach to 1 or 1.5 minute, and likewise you have to practice this asana from your opposite side. Now let's ready for next asana. We are going to practice warrior 3 pose. So stand at the center of your mat, keeping your hands by the side of your body. Inhale, raise your both the hands up, interlace your fingers, first 2 fingers will be open. Now your right feet up from the mat, toes and ankle pressing in. Then with exhalation, slowly bend forward, pressing all the toes of your left feet on the mat to get the good grip. And try your upper body align, concentrating on one point. For coming back, same reverse order, you will be coming back. As you tried with the right, likewise you have to practice this asana from your opposite side. Next asana we are going to practice Natarajasana, dancer pose. So feet together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly and gently bend your right leg. With your right hand, catch your right feet or your right ankle joint. Bring your left hand in the shoulder line. Then take a deep breath in. With exhalation, slowly and gently, upper body slowly down, and try to stretch your right leg up. Keep your concentration on one point. Inhale and exhale, balance. Then slowly and gently back. So this asana also you can start to practicing to hold it 20 to 30 seconds, or you can reach maximum timing for 1 minute or 1.5 minute. Some balancing poses are hard in the starting to hold, so you can get the wall support in the starting if your balance is not too good, and slowly you can try to practicing without supporting the wall also. And believe me, those asanas will be help you a lot to increasing the strength of your lower body, and also the flexibility of your lower body is going to be increased also. I hope you like the video, and continuously practicing this asana give you so much effect on your lower body. If you like the video, please comment down, and if you have any other topic, then please suggest us in the comment. Namaste. Thank you.